My name's Combat Baby. I'm the stunts guy.
So what does that actually entail?
Shooting, knife throwing, bit of gymnastics, and I play the drums. Now, before you ask, playing the drums is a stunt, and when I do it anyway.
When did you join Sound Tomorrow?
Joined ages ago, like maybe 5-6 years, right, Captain? Yeah, maybe 6 years ago.
Could you tell us a
Hold
little?
on, sorry,
Oh yeah.
real quick. Do
Cool.
you mind?
Oh
Yeah, life in Sound of Tomorrow is great. We're basically a family. Most of the time we travel around by wagon, but sometimes we go by train. Sometimes we walk. I hate when we walk. We always get stopped by those PAX guards. I hate those guys.
So what can you tell me about Sloan?
Hey, Maya! We're doing an interview. Oh, wait, no, you stay there. Wait. Oh, you see that bottle? No, not that one. No, that's poison. No, no. Yeah, that one. Yeah, you pass it over here. Cheers. So, anyway, they did not like my karaoke act. The Nouveau Romantics were a dud, so I just packed up my stuff in the middle of the night and left. Never seen them since.
Right, yeah, so it's very interesting, but back to Sound of Tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, hobbies, right? Yeah, I like, yeah, I got nothing. It's fucked what they do to you out. And the things I've seen in New fucking Romans, man. It sounds my all I've got. So I don't know what this video is for. I swear if you. What are you looking at me like that for? You wanna go? You wanna go? Oh, I'll kill you, son of a- I'd like to sincerely apologize for my behavior. And I hope this hasn't hurt your opinion on our group.
That's okay. Would you like to wrap up now?
Yeah.